Hi, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome browser on any iMac or MacBook Pro computer or MacBook Air computer. So let's start. Open Spotlight Search by holding Command key and then press spacebar. Once Spotlight Search is appeared, just type Safari over there and just double click to open Safari. Once Safari is opened, we have to type google.com because we want to search Google Chrome browser from Google. So I am typing google.com and then finally I am typing Google Chrome. The first link is the Google Chrome download link. I access to that link and I see the download link of download Chrome for Mac is there. So I have to click on allow and it will start downloading Google Chrome. Once download is finished, then we have to go to the download location. For my computer, the download location is the downloads folder. So I am going to the downloads location and from here I see Google Chrome.dmg file is the download Google Chrome file which we just downloaded. I just double clicked over there to start the installation and I will see this type of window. Now please wait just for few seconds like 30 to 40 seconds once uh, till it appeared the Google Chrome installation window. Now I see it is asking to drag this Google Chrome icon inside the application. So I'm dragging and dropping inside the application folder. Now it will start copying all the required files to start the program. That means to install the program. And please wait for a few more seconds. On is done. Then we can close this window and also close this window also. Hold Command key and press spacebar and type Chrome over there. You will see Google Chrome over here. Just double click to Google Chrome and it will open the Google Chrome browser. Now we have to allow these settings, otherwise we cannot access. So I am choosing these options positively and then I am going to click update option, accepting those options. Now we will see the Google Chrome browser is open. Just type google.com to test whether we are able to use this Google Chrome application or not, and we see we are successfully installed and we are able to install the application. Now in this way we can easily install Google Chrome browser on our iMac or MacBook Pro or MacBook Air laptops. Thank you for watching.